Hi, I'm Tie-Dye Jeff and we're here at Mystic Ice Cream in Central Florida. Today we're going to talk about your future. How you can take your dollars that I'll show you how to earn and how we can take those and with a little knowledge and a lot of hard work, you can take these dollars and at the end of the day, your $1 are going to become $100. So let's talk about your future. Imagine a future where you're the boss. Your future is in your hands. Maybe for the first time in your life, you're going to be paid as much as you want and in direct proportion to the effort you put forth. Imagine a world where you'll be your own boss. Everybody wants to be, and now you can. Imagine financial security, but also imagine an emotional rewarding life where each and every day people, maybe strangers, are going to come up to you and tell you how great your product is. Bill, this is the greatest ice cream I've ever had. Bill, these ices are so refreshing, I love them. Joe, we can't wait to come back to your store. It's going to happen. Imagine that your future is forever. You'll decide where to work. You'll decide when to work. You'll decide whether you want to work nights, weekends, afternoons, evenings, every other Saturday, no Sundays. It's all up to you. You'll decide also, more importantly than anything else, you'll decide when to retire. Not if I can retire, not how can I retire, but simply when to retire. This is the frozen dessert business. Whether you want to own an Italian ice cart business, an ice cream stand, 1 store or 10 stores, whatever you decide, it all begins here. At Mystic's Boot Camp, you'll get all the tools you need to help you decide your course of action. At 9 a.m., we'll get your personal workbook started and we'll begin the journey to your independence. The journey to your independence will start here. From scouting, choosing, and setting up a location to getting and keeping customers, it's all covered. We'll cover promotions, community relations, which products to make and sell, and how to create a recipe. You'll create your own recipes here and formulas and then make notes and we'll have them. We'll discuss them, we'll refine them, and they're yours to keep. So come on. After lunch, you'll put on an apron and make 3, 4, or 5 flavors of ice cream. We'll sample and discuss the product and talk about how to handle your inventory. You'll assemble the 24-quart Emery Thompson batch freezer and become familiar with everything in the kitchen here. Afterwards, we'll disassemble and clean the machine and prepare it for the next day. In short, you'll do in one day, one intensive day, everything that's going to be required of you on a daily basis in your store. Finally, you'll learn about the cleanup procedures and the preparation into the next day's business. You'll be placed on our customer email list, so you'll get all future promotions, coupons, and specials just as our customers get them. The ice cream, ices, and frozen dessert business is incredibly profitable. It takes no days off. It works year-round in any climate, and it's virtually recession-proof. People love ice cream all the time. This business combines the comfort and security of owning your own business with the art of creating your own ideas and recipes. I'll give you the 3 keys that will virtually guarantee you of success in this business. And, very important, we'll discuss how to begin, how to open and operate your business on a shoestring. Keep as much money as you can or as much money as you want to in this business. I know of no other way to get into this business with limited risk and to expand the rewards as much as this boot camp. So come join us in the boot camp. Class size is limited to 10, giving you a personal hands-on experience. You'll get my book of recipes and you'll get a workbook geared towards your business that you'll take with you. It's expandable so you can keep adding it. You can contact me at xhippie@aol.com. That's XHIPPEE@aol.com. Discover what hundreds of successful frozen dessert operators already know. Just to recap, what we'll be covering: the complete startup costs that you'll need, finding and scouting a location and setting up a location, your legal options, how much lead time and what to do with that lead time, regulations, licenses, and permits, the equipment, what you need, and just as important, what you don't need, the initial supplies and lists of suppliers. We'll talk about money, making it, counting it, and keeping it, your store organization, the inventory, the exposure as far as advertising, promotion, and emails. We'll discuss employees, hiring them, finding them, keeping them, and how much to pay them. Daily money handling. You'll work with the cash register, the tapes, and I'll show you how to make your deposits. And we'll discuss sales tax. Everything you need to be successful in the frozen dessert business.